Welcome, everyone, to Fun Quiz Master. Today, we'll play a fun game, Find the Odd One Out Cat Lover Edition. We've created 40 questions at different difficulty levels, easy, medium, hard, and impossible. Let's begin with an easy level. Can you spot the odd one? Yes, that is the odd one. Great job! You found the odd one out. You're nailing this. Let's move to next one. Impressive! Can you keep the streak going? Don't forget, if you're right, you'll get a point. Let's keep going, you're doing great. Look closely, try to spot the odd one out. Next, we're moving to the medium level. You're on a roll, don't stop now. Each correct answer gets you closer to Eagle Eye status. Can you spot the odd one? It's right in front of you. I hope you've got this one too. Think you've seen it all? Think again. Make sure to keep track of your points. You're doing fantastic. More rounds, harder challenges ahead. That's the odd one. Let's keep going. Now, let's step up to the hard level. Trust your gut, pick the object that feels different. Your observation skills are improving with each round. Feel free to pause the video if you run out of time. Here's a hint, the odd one out is different from the others in some way. Perfection! You've got an eagle eye for finding the odd ones. Take your time, there's no rush. You're not just finding differences, you're sharpening your mind. Stay focused, the next challenge is right around the corner. Look closely, try to spot the odd one out. Now, it's time for the ultimate challenge, the impossible level. Congratulations on making it this far. More brain teasers ahead. Don't forget to share your score in the comments. We're confident you can still find the odd one in this level. Think outside the box. The odd one out may not be as obvious as you think. Still with us? The impossible level is heating up. This one might be a bit trickier. You're on the right track, keep it up. You're getting closer to the grand finale. I hope you've got this one too. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Fun Quiz Master, for more entertaining quizzes like this one. See you in the next video.